So I'm gonna walk you through how you can publish your book or a reading material on Africa Read platform. It's simple and easy. So first, you log on to the website africaread.org, and then the first thing after the main image you see down here, publish or sell your book, this button. So you click on it, then it will send you to author's terms page. So there, so you send you here. So when you reach this page, when this page is loaded, you look at some of our services, and of course they are optional. For instance, if you have just developed your manuscript just like that, you have written just like that, and then nothing else is done, and you need editing and proofreading, ISBN acquisition, typesetting, graphic works, you can contact us, and then we'll be happy to do them for you. But it's not limited. These are optional. If you have all these things ready and your book is set to be published, you go ahead and then you fill the form below this page, which I'll walk you through how to do that. So we also have frequently asked questions. Before you get your book published, if you need clarification on a question that will be running through your mind, you can read through these questions and then find your answers. Alright, so this area we have our pricing options. For self-publishing, that is to enlist your book, you pay this amount, and then if you need an ISBN, that is the pricing for the options services listed above. So if you need all these things, you go through and then you send us a message, or you go to our contact us page and then you send us an email, or you fill the form to send us an email. Alright, so let's say all these things are done, and then you see this button, publish your book. So you click on it, and then it will take you to a page to fill your details and start publishing. Alright, so this is the registration page, just a simple registration form. So the email section, you enter a valid email address that we can reach you at. So you enter your email. So I'm gonna speed this up to fill the form. Alright, so after submitting, it will redirect you to this page to tell you that your account registration is successful. So when you reach this page, the next step is to click on the first button to go to your dashboard, and then you start publishing. Simple like that. So let's click on it. Alright, so this page is a dedicated dashboard for every author on Africa Read. So here you have tools to publish your books. The number of books you can publish are unlimited. You have other tools to monitor your sales statistics, etc., which we'll get back to in other videos. So the second option, books. So we click on it, and then at the moment we don't have any book published, or I don't have any book published. So this lists are empty. So here it will list all your books that you need to publish. So we click on add new at the top right here to start publishing, and then a new form will come up that we need to fill for our book. And then these are the options. It is a virtual because people are gonna read. It's not a physical product, so you click on virtual and then it's downloadable. So when people buy it, they can get access and download to their devices and read. Alright, so you make sure you take all these two options, and then you fill in your book title over here. For instance, I'm gonna put in the Lost Coin as my book title. Alright, and then the pricing option, price. You input the price that you want to set for your book, the sale price, and then the sale price will leave empty. If you want to offer a discount, that's when you fill the sale price, but otherwise you leave it empty. Alright, so book description. Here you input a short description of your book, the book you want to sell, and then it should be as catchy as possible, and not too many words, just a summary of your book. Okay, so you can write them inside the provided text box, and then when you are done, the menu icons or menu items at the top of the text box page you can use to edit your text or format your text. For instance, if you want to make a particular text bold, you highlight just like what you do in Microsoft Word, and then the others. Alright, okay. Alright, so now the next one is about author. So here you give a short description of yourself, your background, and anything else. Probably if you are printing a book, like if you are using the traditional method, normally at the back of the book we have the author description or something about the author, so you can put it inside this text box, and then you write something to describe yourself. Okay, so just like we did the other one, you can use the text to format the various characters. Alright, so when you are done, now the next one, we need to upload a cover image, that is your book cover. Alright, so you use this area, this button over here, so you click on it, and then you select the image you want to use, the cover you want to use, and you should have it on somewhere on your computer. So I navigate to my folder, the book I want to use as a Lost Coin. So I select it and then I upload. Alright, so when it's done uploading, I'll make sure it's checked, and then I click on select down here, and then that's it. You see that the image will load, and then you have your cover book image. Alright, so the rest you leave it empty, and then now we come to the book categories. Alright, so here are a list of categories that we have, and you can select multiples that apply to the content of your book. And then we also have the tags, that is a further classification or a micro classification of your book or category of your book. And then here you can select as many as apply to your book. Alright, for instance, I selected fiction, and then the next one. And if you mistakenly select a different category, you can just click on the close icon or the delete to remove it, and vice versa. Alright, now the next thing is downloadable, and then here we have the file name. That's the name of your file, and normally it is the title of your book, so you just write your title of your book over here. Alright, and then the file, so here we put in our downloadable file or the PDF of our book. So you navigate and then you find it, and then you click on open to upload the file. Right now we accept the PDF format, as you have read on the publisher page. Okay, so you wait for it to finish uploading. Alright, so once it's done uploading, you click on select, and then you will see the icon there to show that it is uploaded. Now the rest you leave it empty, and then we go to the search engine settings. Alright, so this area, it will help your book to be found by search engines, or to be indexed by search engines, possibly Google and then the other popular search engines. So when someone is searching for your book, they will likely find it in their search engine. So this setting is very, very important for every author. And then the keyword area, what you are supposed to put in is a searchable word. It can be the title of your book, reframed in many formats. That is the lost coin. You can reframe it in any format, and then probably you attach your name, that is the author name, the title of the book, and then the author name, and then anything that you think users will search before they get to your book. All right, so you put them there, and then the meta description is something not more than 160 characters. If you put your cursor on the question mark here, you see the description over here. Maximum should be 160 characters, and that is the description that appears in search engines. So normally it is part of your short description. All right, so you just copy, and then you come and paste it inside the box, and you are good to go. And then the rest, shipping policy, refund policy, we have a default policy, so you don't have to change it. Great. So now you can decide to save it as a draft, and then you come back later, and then you come and continue editing, or you click on submit for review, and then our team will review your book, and then choose to accept or reject. All right, so I'm going to go ahead to click on submit for review. All right, and then my book is submitted, and you can see the pending highlighted in yellow over there at the top of the edit book. All right, so here when we go to click on our books, you'll see the list over there showing as pending. All right, that's it. So it's pending. So now you are done what you are doing. You can just wait for your book to be reviewed after you have made a payment or the listing fee. All right, so let's come back here and then see if our book has been approved. Great. So you can see published, highlighted in green. So now it means that our book has been accepted and it's been published. So now anybody who comes on Africa Read in the ebook store can find your book and then buy. You can also use promotional methods, that you can watch more of our videos on our YouTube channel, and then get more information on how to promote your book for people to buy, to start making money. All right, so we wish you all the best in your journey with Africa Read. Okay, see you next time. Bye.